Hey everyone, hope everybody's having a great day. This is Umair with KPK Auto Detailing, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how we transform this car looking brand new. We are only focused on the interior and mainly the carpeting and the seats in this video, but we do clean all the doors and the jambs as well. I'm using compressed air to loosen up all the debris and dirt to be able to vacuum everything in the front area of the vehicle. So with this process, I'll be able to get in between the seats, and vacuuming is much easier. This tool that I'm using right now with the brush attachment to a drill is super helpful to lift up the dirt, and that's what I'm doing next. So we start from the back, work our way forward. Cleaning the cracks and crevices of the seats, leather or fabric, is super important, and as you can see all the dirt and the dust coming out of the carpets. We will be shampooing that next, but the first step is to get it clean and vacuum it as much as possible to lift up the dirt. Next up, we're gonna start vacuuming the vehicle, and again we start from the back, work our way forward, and with the drill and compressed air, it is much easier to vacuum. So I wasn't able to get the process of us scrubbing the seats with another drill attachment, but here is how we use our extractor. It is heated to shampoo the upholstery. This is the back seat. We're gonna get the back and the bottom of the seat, all the areas. Depending on what type of stains you have, you can use different products, either enzyme cleaner, or you might be able to get away with just a carpet cleaner dedicated for shampooing. Here are the final results. Car looked amazing. All the carpets, seats, all the doors got cleaned and conditioned. And then we have these air movers inside the vehicle to help it dry. And the process of drying is super critical, because that way you don't leave any moisture inside the fabrics. You can get wicking or mildew. By the time the client came to pick up the vehicle, everything was completely dry, and they were super satisfied with the service and the results of the detail. Looks like a brand new car to me. We're super happy, and I highly recommend these air movers. Thank you for watching.